Okay, diamond problems. Again, they are giving you this, but start to remember it because that's not going to be present for much longer. Okay, so let's start with A. The bottom is added, so I take 1/2 plus 1/2. Well, that's 1. And the top is 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4, right? Okay. For B, it's 1/3 plus 3/4. So I need a common denominator, right? I'll multiply this by 4/4 and this by 3/3, and I get 4/12 plus 9/12. 4 plus 9 is 13/12, and I'll write 13/12 there. And for the numerator, or for the top diamond, sorry, it's 1/3 times 3/4. That's easier, right? This cancels, and I get 1/4. Okay, for C, the bottom is x plus x, that's 2x. And the top is x times x, which is x squared. And for D, the bottom is a plus b. I can't do anything with that. That's just going to be left as a plus b. And the top is a times b, which we write as ab without the multiplication symbol.